Hello viewers, welcome to NodeJS tutorial. Today I will show the example of NodeJS Mongoose installation. So how we can install Mongoose. In this tutorial we will learn to install Mongoose package using npm. Prerequisite: we have already installed NodeJS and MongoDB. If not you not install, then you need install NodeJS and MongoDB. So now I will show how to install the Mongoose package. So this is our Node.js project. Open the terminal and write npm install Mongoose. This is Mongoose package. Enter. Mongoose package installing, and it take few seconds. Mongoose version is 5.2.1 is installed successfully. So how we can use Mongoose, how we can load the Mongoose module. Here bar Mongoose is a variable and required Mongoose. This is the Mongoose package. This is the Mongoose package. Thank you.